Hello my dear 6th standard students. Now exercise 1.2 continued. Question number 3. In previous class 2 questions we have done. Now third question. In an election the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? This is the question. It means the candidate who have won the election has secured 5,77,500 and the candidate who lost the election, he secured 3,48,700 votes. So by how much difference did the successful candidate win the election? That is the question. You should write how many votes successful candidate taken. You have to write. Solution, you see, votes of successful candidate. How much votes he has taken, that you have to write. He has taken 5,77,500 votes. Next, the candidate who lost the election, he secured how many votes, that you have to write. Votes of rival candidate. Rival means the opposition candidate. Votes of rival candidate 3,48,700. So by how much difference did the successful candidate win? By subtracting you will get the answer. 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. By subtracting you will get 2,28,800. Subtraction, you know, in previous classes also you have done subtraction. Start from ones place, 0 minus 0, 0. Next, tens place, 0 minus 0, 0. Hundreds place, 5 minus 7 you cannot do. So you have to borrow 1 from 7. It will become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Already in thousands place already you have borrowed 1. So 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 8 you cannot do. So again you have to borrow 1 from that 10,000s place number 7. So you have to borrow 1 from 7 which is there in 10,000s place. So when you borrow it will become thousands place will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 10,000s place number you see in place of 7 6 is there because you have borrowed 1. So 6 minus 4 2. In lakh place 5 minus 3 2. 2,28,800. Next question. Next question you see, children. Find the difference between the greatest and smallest 5-digit number using the digits. Few digits are given. Which are those digits given? 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So 5 digits are given. From these 5 digits you must write greatest 5-digit number and also smallest 5-digit number. First, greatest 5-digit number. So which is greater number, that you have to write from first. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Smallest 5-digit number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So he has asked to find the difference. This is the greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number you have written. Difference he has asked. Difference means you have to subtract big number and small number. So 76432 means 76,432 minus 23,467. Start from ones place. 2 minus 7 it is not possible. So you have to borrow 1 from the number 3 which is there in tens place. So when you borrow 1, 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. In tens place 3 is there. Already you have borrowed 1. It is 2. Now 2 minus 6 you cannot do. So from hundreds place 4 is there. No, from 4 you have to borrow 1. So that will become in tens place 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. So in hundreds place 4 was there. You have borrowed 1. It is now 3. 3 minus 4 can you do? No. So from thousands place 6 is there. You have to borrow 1 from 6. So 3 will become 13. In hundreds place 3 is there. No. When you borrow 1 it will become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Now thousands place. Already from 6 1 you have borrowed. So it is now 5. thousands place you see. 5 minus 3, 2. In 10,000s place, 7 and 2 are there. Easily you can subtract. 7 minus 2, 5. This is how you have to find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract. This is all about today's class. In the next class, we'll continue the other problems. Thank you. Write it in your CW. As soon as possible, you buy the books, come to the school and buy the books so that you can complete the CW. Thank you.